Climbers come here to Quiros in order to perform, to get in shape for high climbs in big walls like Picos de Europa or Alps. Then in the 80s, many routes were bolted and the more difficulty routes were red pointed. Nowadays, Quiros, for example, is a very modern sports climbing crag, and many other crags were developed like the Berga, Pelúgano, Po de Cabrales. In Quiros there are routes from 4th grade to 8B. The most common are the moderate grade routes. It's a good place also to initiate because there are crags with plenty of very easy routes. The refuge has a big dormitory with 24 beds. You can book online and you can check the website with all the information about it.
Picos de Europa is a limestone rock place mainly. We have other kind of rocks, but the main rock is the limestone rock. Po de Cabrales is a quite new climbing sector where normally people come here for training or people that like the sport routes. Picos de Europa is more interest for the multi-pitch climbs, no bolts. It's also a limestone rock place and we have plenty of routes and one of the best quality of limestone rock in whole Spain and maybe Europe. We have a popular peak called Naranjo De Bulnes. It's a huge monolith and just now is where the hardest climbing route in the world is, and is where everybody wants to go for climbing. For me, it's one of the best places in Spain for climbing and for living, because you have Picos de Europa half an hour driving, have the coast half an hour driving, and you can do everything the same day. You can stay climbing in 2,600 meters high, and in 3-4 hours from that top, you can stay in a beach drinking a beer or something like that.
For me, I'm really focused in Asturias within my company because the experience that we can offer them here is just amazing. They're going to be rock climbing close to the sea. They're going to be rock climbing within Picos de Europa. They're going to be climbing Quiros, which is a wonderful valley that when you're climbing just 3-4 meters high, you turn around and what you see is just stunning. It blows your mind and you find peace in there. So all that different, experiences that they can get here, not just the rock climbing, the after climbing, beach, mountains, nice people, nice food. What else can you ask for?